Let's make the tallest Roblox avatar completely free. Now open up the Roblox app on your iPhone, Android, or a computer if you have one. Now, the first thing we're going to do is customize your Roblox avatar. We need to walk through these steps specifically. So go to customize, and the first thing that you'll usually land on is characters. But let's go over to head and body, and we need to go through these lists. We're going to choose the absolute largest options that are completely free. You'll be surprised how big he gets. So from here, head, you can choose the man head. And then we're going to go over and keep going, and we need to choose torso. And the longest torso is the man torso. So you'll be able to see if I choose like boy or woman, it makes it smaller. So let's choose man torso. And then you can change the arms if you wanted to, but again, that doesn't really change the height or how tall or big he is. But if you wanted to, you can set those to man arms instead of woman or boy. And then the right arm as well. But the left leg and right leg, again, need to be the man left leg. And then the right leg, the man right leg. So set all of those. Those are pretty simple, but let's go over to build. Now, build is customizable if you have an R15 Roblox avatar. So the first thing we'll do at the very bottom is if you have R6, you'll be able to see it customizes like this. But let's go to R15. And now at the very top, we're going to take this slider and we're going to move it all the way up. So take this slider and move it all the way up to the top right. But that's not the only thing you'll be able to do. If you scroll down, you'll see body type as well. Let's turn the body type all the way to the top right here. And you'll be able to see I've done all those things. I can also make his head size really big. And just like that, I've made the largest and tallest Roblox avatar completely free.